Video, we will learn how to create e-commerce website in your present website, or you can create totally e-commerce website. It's all depend on your requirement. So first choose the site which you want to use for e-commerce website. Either click here, create on the new website, or you can choose from your old website. I am choosing from my old website. I am choosing my first web as I want to use this website for e-commerce website. Now click on the edit. Okay, we are in the edit section, and first we will add a store or shop button in the menu. I already have one, but I am creating a one for you. Click on new page, click on store. I am naming my store page as a store. Click, and then from here select the store all product uneditable, store all product uneditable, and click on yes. You can see a new menu added in your menu bar with the name store. If I click here, it show me a blank page, and it click me go to the setting to add a product on your store. So to add the product in the store, I have to click here on the right side store section, or I can even click on the go to sales store and I can add this. I already have few dummy. I will delete all the stores so I can show you in a better way. Okay, I will show you again. Just let me go back. Either click here, go to setting, or you can click on store and manage store. So before uploading a product in your store, you have to add a category, means which type of product you are adding. Suppose if you have single category product like a t-shirt, or like a software, like a toys, or you can add a multiple category stores. So first go to collections and create new. My category name is software. I'm adding my category name is software, and I click on OK. Yeah, software category is added. Then I click on the product and click on new. In the manage store section, first the name of the product. So I am naming the product name as a pizza stock, and the collection, in the collection means category, I am selecting software. So this is the first introduction. So in the introduction I will write down as a small introduction as a 15 million stock images and videos, and here I will write down the full description of the product like 15 stock images, lifetime access, unlimited download. Like I will write down all the description in a detail, and then it is a time to add the product image. You can upload the product from the using keyword, or you can upload the product from your stock, your PC. Let me add a product from my PC. I will add this. Let me check in my files whether this product is uploaded or not. Yeah, this product is uploaded here. Let me select it and accept. So my product is uploaded, and now it is time to give a price for the product. I am giving price as a $20 on sale. And now click on the save. Your first product is uploaded on your e-commerce site. Now I will show you how it looks. Select the site, select on preview. In the preview section, I will click on the store. You can see the first product is uploaded here. Once you click here, it will show the product name and the full description of the product, the small description and the big description, and from here you can buy and add to cart. Let me show you further setting of your e-commerce store site. So now this product is uploaded. I will show you by adding a new product. Let me add a new product. Click on new. The product name is Mega Cloud Store. Get 1 TB to 100 TB cloud storage. Get upload video, images, files, no renewal, lifetime access, like that, and upload your image. Now I have added 2 images to my store, 2 products to my store. Click on my files. Yeah, this one. And now I will keep the price, any price like $30, and click on save. 2 product is being added to my store. Let me refresh it. Click on store. See, you can see two products are added. Now let me show you some more setting in your store management. Click on setting. In the setting, write down your store name. For example, my store name is digital products. My store name is digital product, and I will write down the full description about my digital product. And you can also write down your legal policy, term and condition, refund and cancellation, payment information, all the detail you can write down here. And now jump into the payment section. In the payment section, there are 2 options. First is PayPal and the second one is Stripe. Before adding a payment, either PayPal or the Stripe, be sure that you should have a PayPal account or the Stripe account. If you want to go for PayPal, just add your PayPal email ID. And now after adding the PayPal email ID, if customer want to buy your product, suppose if I want to buy this product, then it will jump to direct PayPal, and customer will pay you payment through PayPal, and he can buy the product. Let me show you. Just click on make purchase. Just a moment. The product is not added in the cart. Let me show you again. Okay, buy now, and I will write down some information and make purchase. So it's showing me 2-way PayPal and the bank transfer. If I click on the PayPal, it is redirecting to my PayPal account. My PayPal account, which is in the digital by the name of the Digital Infinite. So if I log in here, it will directly take me to the PayPal, and the $20 will deducted from my PayPal account. So I hope you understood. And for Stripe, you should have a Stripe account where you have to add here your Stripe ID. That's enough. Once you add the Stripe ID, your customer can able to make you payment through Stripe, through Visa, MasterCard, and other ways. So this is how you can integrate a payment gateway in your store. Now the next option is template. You can allow email notification for order completion. If someone completed order, you will receive this email. If someone cancel, you will receive this email. This all you can customize. And for the notification, you have to on all the notification. You have to write down your email ID and you will get the notification like if you get a new customer or new order or order cancellation, product out of stock. All this notification you will get through your email, the email which you are going to write down here. Just click on the save. And if you want to add any coupon for discount coupon, you can just click on here new, just write down your coupon name and the amount, like I am giving like a $1 discount, and my coupon number will be like 456, or I can write ABC. If anyone click on if anyone use coupon code ABC or D, whatever coupon code, suppose my coupon code is Diwali, my coupon code is Diwali, and for if anyone using Diwali coupon code, he will get like $10 or $1 discount. So here type fixed price percentage. Okay, I will give you 20% discount. 20% discount on my if someone is using a coupon code Diwali, and this is valid till you can write down the date, like Diwali is in November. I will write down the 30th November, and valid from 1st November. So 13th November. From this date to this date, if anyone is using the Diwali coupon code, then he will get a flat 20% discount. So I will click on and just write just name to your coupon. Just let me write down like this and save it. Let me see if it is reflecting. I will just refresh it. Here you can see here there is option add a discount code Diwali, and click on purchase. You can see a 20% discount is applicable. The price was $20. Now you can see it is $16. So the coupon code is working very well. So let me see if anything remaining in the collections. There are two product, online marketing product and the software. Collection means category. In the transaction, you can see transaction or whatever your product has been sold out, that you can see in transaction. And whatever customer have purchased your product, you can see in the customer league. Whatever the people have either they have add your product in the cart, but even if it is get failed, their email ID and their name will be shown in the customer. So this is all about adding the product in your store. Now here you can see there are two products. This is how you can add a multiple product with the price in your website, or you can create a separate website for e-commerce like e-commerce website. Very creating e-commerce website on this my web builders is very easy. Thank you.